Okay folks, so what I have here is I'm going to demonstrate shooting these Diablo King 25s, and they're the rounded nose ones versus what I did before with the Chrome Magnums. The Chrome Magnums did not penetrate all the way through on the 2x4, and these Diablo Kings right here are rounded, so we're gonna see how well they do comparison to those with the Vanix Viper. Here we go. So just in case you're wondering what this other gun is right here, well, if you hadn't seen my previous videos on it, this one is a Hatsan, and it's not my Hatsan Blitz. It's my first Hatsan I got. It's 25 caliber. Right there, it is the Hatsan AT44PA. PA stands for pump action. So I've had it for a long time. I traded it years ago for an Air Force Talon 22 because I wanted something a little bit different. I wanted a little bigger caliber, and so therefore I got that one. I will have to say the Air Force Talon was much more powerful than this one, but this one does get the job done. It's pretty good. I don't mind, and it's easier to load because it's pump action. You just pull that slide back like a shotgun and load it. Okay, so here we go. See how Barbie gun does. You can see what my fill is right there, right to the red line. And 1, 2, 3. There it is. And there it is, clean shot right through. That's the JSB Diablos. So just for what they say, shits and giggles, let's see what'll go through it with the other one as a backstop. Okay, wow, so as the backstop on it, it did not go through. Interesting. So that one went right through. Now so on this one here, I'll put it on this side, it's clean. See how deep it goes into that one. Okay, nice solid hit sounding, and you can't even see the pellet in there. It went way deeper. See, did not come through, but it's way down in there. So it's at least an inch in there. Compare that to the Chrome Magnum right there. That's the Chrome Magnum. You can see the pellet in there. So there you go, folks. Hope that gives you a little bit more insight on the penetration test. Let's see if it hits the steel plate behind it. Yep. All right, cool. Thanks for watching, folks. Never gotta